Hello, Sir Richie. I am Mark Vincent L. Huntilia, making a video tutorial about installation of Windows Server 2012 R2 on VMware. So first, open VMware Workstation, then click File from the menu and select New Virtual Machine. Select typical type as recommended and select Next. Click on the Browse button to select the Windows Server ISO file and click Open. Then locate your file. Then open. Next. So I'm going to use MK Cyber as my server name, Maki Cyber, inside from my name. Then next, provide the hard disk size recommended is 60 GB. So click on customize hardware header. Then click on the network adapter to change from NAT to bridge. Then click close. Then finish. Then just wait. In here, choose Windows Operational System Language and click Next. Then install. You can see in the background it says setup is starting. Then here this Windows setup pops up. Shows. You gotta do here is Windows Server R2 data server with GUI, and click Next. Then you must accept the license terms and click Next. Click on Custom. Choose the disk where you want to install Windows operational system and click Next. So when Windows system program installs, just wait for a minute to finish all operational system settings. Windows will restart several times. So wait for it to load, then click to start now. So in here, you can set password for built-in administrator. Type in password twice and the password has to meet password complexity. It has requirements set by administrator for network or group. So I will just use my valid password here, and then re-enter the password so it can be confirmed. There, press Control plus Alt Delete. Control plus Alt Delete. Then provide the administrator password and enter to log in to Windows Server 2012 R2. Now, Windows Server 2012 R2 has successfully been installed. So next is we gonna continue. We gonna connect the Windows Server 2012 R2 to the main controller. So without wasting our time, let's continue. So first is open the Windows Server Manager and click on local server. Click on the computer name and click change. So in here you're gonna customize what you want to or you're gonna provide your own name or what you want. So I will choose my Maki name, or short for Maki, MK Cyber, short for Maki. Then click OK when done. So your virtual machine will have to restart so that the changes can take effect. So we need to restart. So just wait. Then press Ctrl Alt Delete plus okay. Ctrl Alt Delete. Then provide the administrator password to log in. The server manager automatically opens up. So we go to local server again, and the server name has been changed successfully. So you'll see him in there. So now click on the Ethernet 0 link to assign a static IP address to the server. Then click on the properties. Double click on the Internet Protocol version 4. Click on use the following IP address. Provide the IP address and the subnet mask you want to assign to the server. I will use 192.168.1.50 as my server. I have my server. Use the same IP address as the DNS server. Okay, and that's it. So now we need to restart or refresh the server. So click the refresh button, and now we need to install the DNS and Active Directory. Click on the manage button at the top right and click on add features, rules and features. Next, click on next. In here you should select the DNS server and add features. Then next, then install. Click install button. So just wait for that feature to install. So after the feature is installed, we need to click close. As you see there, the DNS server has successfully been installed. So let's go on install and Active Directory. So click on the manage button again and click on add roles and features. Next, and then select the Active Directory domain services and add features. Then click next, and then install. So wait again for it to install. So click close. Click on the refresh button to refresh the server. Click on the dashboard button to display the installed services. Click on local server again, and this time around we are going to promote our domain to become a domain controller. Click on the notification flag and click on promote the server to a domain server. Select add new forest. Enter your domain name into the input box. For example, I will just put local.com. So for the purpose of this video, I will use local.com as my domain name. Click next when done. Here you will have to set password for the domain. This password can be different from the administrator password, or you can use both for the admin and the domain. But I will recommend using different password for both admin and the domain. So type your password twice and click next. So now should enter the password. So after that we click next. Leave the DNS option as default and click next. So leave it as default and click next. This window gives you the option to select the location of your database. So for the purpose of this video, I will leave it as a default. So click next. Click next. Here, the system checks if all prerequisites are met successfully before allowing us to install. But in case you did not set password for the administrator during the installation of the Windows server, this window will flag on an error asking you to create password for the administrator before proceeding. So in case your system flagged an error, then you will have to go to your user account and create password for administrator before you proceed. Now I will show you how to create a password for the administrator if you don't have. Click on the start menu and click on the control panel. Click on the user account and click on it again. Now double click on the administrator and select create password. I have already set password for the administrator during the installation of the server in our last. So after setting the password for the administrator, go back to the Active Directory domain services wizard. Click on the previous button and click next again. Now click on install. Wait for a while. So installation is complete, but the virtual machine needs to restart. So click on the close button for the virtual machine to restart. So it's restarting. press Ctrl Alt Delete. Provide the administrator password again and press enter. The server manager will automatically opens. Click on the local server. Now, we have successfully promoted the server to a domain controller. So, that's it.
We're in Windows 2012 R2N. I'm going to show you how to join server to a domain. It's very similar to joining regular computer to domain. Let's go ahead and open up control panel. Click on system, and from here you can see the name of the computer or the server, and it's in a work group, which is by default. We click change settings and we see that we have the option to rename the server or join it to a domain. Let's go ahead and join, and make sure that you put the fully qualified name. At this point, we get promoted for the username and password. Alright, so we're entered that, and let's see if we can get successfully joined to the domain. Usually, it takes a few seconds. Alright, so it says we are welcome to the domain.